I'm in Montreal in a microbrewery. And without yeast, beer wouldn't exist and many other products. Actually, Canada is home to one of the biggest yeast producers in the world. And it all started right here in this city at the end of the 19th century. Antoine Chagnon is the president of L'Allemand, a family company that specializes in the development and manufacturing of yeast and culture. Antoine, I never thought that yeast would be almost everywhere in what we eat, from cheese to a good beer to a glass of wine.
Yeah, it's really all over the place.
It's amazing. And nobody knows in the country that your company, L'Allemand, is not only the Canadian leader, but a world leader in that field. I mean, it's amazing. Who started all that?
So it was started by Fred L'Allemand, and he was an inventor, and he got interested in yeast and started producing yeast.
And that's when?
So he started his company in 1923.
And it's your grandpa who bought back the company, eh?
Yes, in 1952, my grandfather bought the company, and then my father took over in the 80s.
And you conquered the world.
If you say so.
It's a natural thing.
Yeah, they use
What is it exactly?
It's a unicellular mushroom, basically. It's a fungus, a small...
Small fungus?
Yes. And it's always fed with sugar and all sorts of nutrients.
So it's very natural?
Yes, it's very much a natural product.
So how much yeast can you make from that little tube you showed me?
Yeah, you start with that little tube, and at the end of the week, you can have up to 800 tons.
800 tons?
Yes.
In 1 week?
Yes. Yeast grows very quickly. We produce more than 200 different types of yeast.
200?
Yes. And there's thousands and thousands of yeast in nature. And one of our strengths is this, the fact that we produce so many different yeasts that have different effects on different products that we sell to.
So when I have a piece of cheese, a slice of bread, there's a part of Canada in that.
Yes, very well can be a part of Canada in there.
Well, you can be proud about your family and yourself.
Thank you.
Cheers. Let's drink to Canada. Thanks to you and L'Allemand. Every day, hundreds of millions of people around the globe are going to grocery stores to buy food produced with yeast or cultured by L'Allemand. Nowadays, this family business is a world leader in their field, and that's why we are the best.